working on half splits, Ardha Hanumanasana. So we like to come into Anjaneyasana, half lunge, with the knee behind the toes. You can stretch out here, opening up the psoas. And then on the exhale, to warm up, you can place that block under the middle part of your hamstring. So here you're not straining, hopefully, as you curl the toes forward and back. Your hips should be parallel as you come up from here. So we don't want one hip turning out, that's called cheating. We definitely don't want to be twisting to the outside. So once you get comfortable with this, you can change the block height here, changing sides. Usually right leg forward is going to be easier than left leg forward. So maybe you can get down to here after a few more breaths. And then eventually you remove the block, and you may not get all the way down right away. You may not be warm enough as you start to walk your fingers back. And it's okay if you don't touch perfectly. Once you come down, you can let one hand go, or the other hand, you can point the toes like a gymnast. You can forward fold. Okay, but we don't want to tear the hamstrings. We want to be patient. You can see I'm not touching all the way down because I'm not totally warm. And then leaning off to the right to let yourself gently come down to the floor is a nice option into that forward fold. And then I like to swing the legs all the way around, shake them out, and exhale. All right, other side. So the left leg, like I was saying, you can do a little stretch here, opening up the sacroiliac joint. You can choose to use a block or not use a block. So showing you the other side without using a block, you have your nice lunge. You can do some repetitions here. You can even do a two-handed Anjaneyasana lunge and a forehead press. And then slowly sliding the right leg back, this time using your palms as a prop. So here, forward, back, and then again without force. You can see my glutes aren't perfectly touching, but when they do, when my body is ready to slowly sink in, then I can come down. Or if I'm not completely touching, I have bicep strength here. I can gently use my bicep strength until my sit bone is ready to reach the floor. Same thing here to come out. We just lean off to the side, bring my right knee in, maybe do a little bit of a forward fold here, lean out, come around, shake it out. You can even do a nice little counter stretch for tabletop here. Inhale and exhale. All feels really amazing. Or join us at Indira Yoga Studio. Namaste.